Cricket versus Metro. In this 2025 comparison, we will find out which carrier is better, so make sure to like and subscribe. So let's compare them. Number 1, their coverage and network. Cricket uses AT&T's network, while Metro runs on T-Mobile's. AT&T tends to offer better rural coverage, while T-Mobile excels in cities and offers faster 5G. So it depends on your location. But Cricket usually has the edge in reach, while Metro may be faster in urban areas. Number 2, their plans and pricing. Metro offers more data-rich plans with features like Amazon Prime bundled in, and Cricket has competitive unlimited plans, but some areas are capped or deprioritized during congestion. So price-wise, they are similar, but Metro gives more extras. Number 3, data speeds and performance. Metro often delivers higher speeds due to T-Mobile's 5G leadership, while Cricket limits speeds on cheaper plans unless you're on their premium tier. For speed and performance, Metro takes the lead. Number 4, customer service. Cricket a reputation and for simpler in-store experiences, while Metro can be a hit or miss. Online support is decent on both ends. Number 5, extra features. Metro includes perks like cloud storage and streaming devices discount, while Cricket is more straightforward but lacks premium bonuses. So for final verdict, if you want the best perks and fast data in cities, you can go with Metro. But if you live in rural areas or you prefer AT&T's solid coverage, Cricket is the better pick for you. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.